Hi, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the Street of Lost Souls. As always, in the descriptive box below, there are links to other websites if you need more information, including Amazon.com if you're interested in purchasing any of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets series of books. During the Inquisition, public executions were routinely held in what's now called Plaza Civica, then called Plaza de la Soledad. The Virgin of Soledad is an image of Mary for the Saturday before Easter. Because on Good Friday, Jesus dies, Easter Sunday, he came back. But that Saturday, Mary's all alone in this world, hence the name. And to this day, if you go into the Oratorio Church on the Saturday before Easter, you're going to find it filled with women dressed in black, keeping Mary company in her mourning. And then, when the sun starts to set, despite wearing the highest heels in towns, these women will pick up a heavy image of Mary and have a procession around town. It's very moving. In today's world, the signs leading towards Plaza Civica still use that pre-Independence Day name of Plaza de Soledad, which can be endlessly confusing to the visitor looking for Plaza Civica. Following an execution done in public for all to see, the bodies were then also buried in Plaza Civica. And in case you had any doubts the Inquisition was not the best time to be a woman, a wealthy Spanish man could simply accuse his spouse of infidelity, and she joined in the long line of executions. Hangings or burnings, living or dead, the executions continued. For example, if you had an aunt that was accused of stealing, but she had died prior to the accusation, her body would be exhumed and her remains burned in front of all her extended family. Then behind the family, spectators would dress in their finest to witness the family's shame. For the following generations, your family would no longer go by the last name of Toone, Smith, or Del Rio, and instead simply be known by the last name Robber. The street alongside Plaza Civica is named Animas. Animas means lost souls, and it was named for the many ghosts that were seen wandering around following their execution and confused as to where they were and where they were to go next. As you can tell by the pictures, in today's world, Plaza Civica is used for much, much happier events. Feel free to click the subscribe button below and you'll get notifications all month long here in October of different Day of the Dead themed videos here on San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel.